What's going on YouTube? AcroLlama here, and today I was digging around, found a dinosaur that is gonna ride on my quad. I found this Swann Freestyle HD action camera, and I forgot I had this thing, so I'm gonna throw it on my quad and see how it goes. It's kind of heavy, it's old. I mean, I did some video work for a guy like 8 years ago, and he gave this to me as payment because we had to use it. So it's 1080p, 30 frames per second, and probably not very good, but it's going to be better than the analog feed from the DVR. Throw it on my quad here. I used this this kind of ghetto rig. I stuck it down, stick a zip tie around there, and mounted a thing so I can have it not sticking out of the camera. Get this down like that and see how long it takes me to lose this guy. No, I don't want to lose it. Just the camera by itself, I looked up online, is 80 grams. This little screen back thing is another like 25 grams. But you kind of need it on there to not fall off of here. And then this is probably like 1,000 grams. I don't know how heavy it is, I can't tell you. But I'm just gonna go for it and see how it turns out. So that's it, guys. It's gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna go freestyle this guy now. So here's that video. What's up, FPV? I need water. I really do.